Hello there. Today, I want to share with you how I have mastered frugal living. Living frugally doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. It's about making smart choices with your money. In a world where consumerism reigns supreme, and temptation is all around to splurge money, I've embarked on a journey that has not only transformed my lifestyle, but also illuminated my path to financial freedom and independence. This is the story of how I have mastered frugal living over the years, a journey filled with lessons, challenges, and ultimately, triumph. Growing up, I was surrounded by messages of excess. The allure of material possessions and the belief that happiness could be bought fueled a desire for more. Interestingly, I later realized that the more you have, the more you want. However, as I entered adulthood and faced the realities of financial responsibility, I realized that the pursuit of material wealth was not synonymous with fulfillment. My journey towards frugal living began with a simple realization. It began with the realization of the importance of distinguishing between needs and wants. As I began to adopt frugal lifestyle, I scrutinized every purchase that I made, questioning whether it was a necessity or merely a fleeting desire. By adopting this mindset, I discovered that many of the things that I once deemed essential to me were, in fact, superfluous. With this newfound perspective, I embarked on the practical aspects of frugality and savings. Budgeting became my cornerstone. This allowed me to allocate money and other resources wisely and prioritize financial goals. I tracked every expense meticulously, identifying areas where I could cut back without sacrificing quality of life. Whether it was cooking meals at home instead of dining out, or finding free alternatives to costly entertainment, I embraced the art of resourcefulness. One of the most significant lessons I learned on my journey was the power of minimalism. By decluttering my life, I not only freed myself from the burden of excess possessions, but also gained clarity and peace of mind. I sold or donated items that no longer served a purpose, while creating space for what truly mattered to me. Frugal living also prompted me to explore alternative avenues and ways for saving money. I became adept at hunting for bargains, whether it was through couponing, thrift shopping, or taking advantage of discounts and cashback offers. I discovered the joy of do-it-yourself projects. I learned to mend clothes, repair household items, and even grow my own vegetables. Each DIY endeavor not only saved money, but also instilled a sense of pride and self-sufficiency. However, mastering frugal living was not without its challenges. Temptations lurked around every corner each time, urging me to succumb to impulse purchases or compare myself to others' material possessions. There were moments of doubt and uncertainty, and I sometimes questioned whether the sacrifices were worth the eventual payoff. Yet, with perseverance and determination, I persevered. Each small victory reinforced my commitment to frugality, reminding me of the greater purpose behind my actions. I sought inspiration from others who had walked similar paths, finding solace in their stories of resilience and success. As time passed, the benefits of frugal living began to manifest in profound ways. I watched my savings grow steadily, inching closer to financial security with each passing day. The peace of mind that came from living within my means was immeasurable, freeing me from the shackles of debt and uncertainty. Moreover, frugality fostered a deeper appreciation for the simple joys of life. I found fulfillment in experiences rather than possessions, cherishing moments spent with loved ones and pursuing passions that enriched my soul. By prioritizing what truly mattered, I discovered a newfound sense of contentment and gratitude. Today, as I reflect on my journey towards mastering frugal living, I am filled with gratitude for the lessons learned and the person I have become. Frugality is not merely about saving money, it is a mindset, a way of life that prioritizes intentionality, mindfulness, and abundance in all its forms. In a world that often equates success with material wealth, I have learned that true prosperity lies in the freedom to live authentically, to pursue passions wholeheartedly, and to savor the richness of life's experiences. And for that, I am eternally grateful. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment or share this video and subscribe to this channel about personal finance and investing.